Okay, so I have to take this off for the sake of my intro. Wow. So hello there, if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. My name is Andrea, as I just said, and this is my first English video. I recreated the ALISSA Violet makeup and I just loved it. It looks so nice, so natural. I just hope you guys enjoy it and keep watching. And blending it in with my foundation brush. This is from Ubu or Urban Beauty United. But as I told you, her skin is so matte and this foundation is perfect. I'm also bringing it on my neck and my chest a little bit. To brighten this central area, I'm gonna use this Tarte Shape Tape on the shade Light Neutral. Just gonna put a little dots there, here, and here. I'm blending with my little beauty sponge. We can tell her contour is really strong, so now I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Palette. Grabbing this shade over here with the same foundation brush, and I'm gonna pack it in on my cheekbone. To set my foundation, I'm gonna use this Kat Von D Lock-It Translucent Powder with this Real Techniques brush. My eyebrows. If you guys don't know, I have a brand, Ideal Cosmetics, so Ideal Cosmetics, and I have this brow kit, so cute. And first, I'm gonna use this shade, which is the lightest, just filling on the blanks. And when I get to the arch, her arch is really strong, so I'm gonna try to embrace mine and make it stronger, like hers. I mean, it's not gonna be the same brow, but you know, you understand. Okay, now I'm gonna use this concealer to clean up my brow, and it also works as an eyeshadow primer, so it's perfect. I'm setting it with this powder so we won't get any creases. For the shadows, I'm gonna use my other palette, PALETA TERRA, and it means Earth Palette. And I'm gonna use this shade, which is a medium brown called Arena. And with this Smashbox blending brush, blending it on my crease. I think that's it for the shadow. She has a little bit of highlight here, and she does have also here on the bridge of her nose. Moving on to mascara, I'm gonna use this CATRICE Cosmetics All Round Mascara Ultra Black. She doesn't have eyeliner, so just the lashes and only the top ones. I think she doesn't have blush, so I'm gonna reapply some contour, but this time a powder one. And I think her boobs are contoured too, so apply it here. On my lips, I'm applying this Too Faced Melt Matte in the shade Sellout. So her lips looks huge in this picture. My lips are so small, trying to make them bigger. Okay, that's all I can do. I'm sorry. And now I'm applying this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream shade 02 in the middle of my lips. Okay guys, so I think that's it. I'm only missing the towel on my head. When I saw this makeup, I really loved it. It's like a really natural but flattering. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you aren't yet. You can visit my Instagram and Facebook, which are at Makeup by Andrea M, my lifestyle and travel blog as well at Andrea Mesa, and of course my brand, which is at Ideal Cosmetics Co. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!